Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I believe everyone is new right now because this is my very first video on this channel. So my name is Sheila, for those who don't know me. For those who know me, you may have known about me from my crochet channel or from my Instagram page. So this channel is going to be basically everything about knitting. I started my knitting journey last year, and then I decided to continue with it, of course putting down my needles every now and again because I was super demoralized and non-motivated because I was struggling to get the hang of it. I just felt like I had to be a particular way just because of what I was watching on social media, and I wasn't getting there basically. So I decided to drop my needles, and this year I decided to pick them up, and I've basically gotten the hang of it, and I'm really in love with knitting finally, and I'm ready to share with you guys about the knowledge that I can share with you. I know I may not be an expert at this, but for the little that I know, I'll be able to share with you guys. So this channel is basically knitting. It could be machine knitting or hand knitting, but basing on some of the answers that I got from my Instagram question, which asked if you guys would love to learn how to hand knit or machine knit. Most of the answers went to hand knitting because my machine, basing on the different feedback from different people, the machine is really pricey and it may not suit every person in their caliber. So I decided to go with the hand knitting more, and with the hand knitting you just have your hands and your needles, and I'm going to start from scratch, like holding the needles and doing the cast on, knitting, purling, every little detail that you need to know. So this channel was inspired by my crochet channel. For those who don't know about it, I'll be leaving the link in the description box below, and I've been on that channel for over like 1.5 years now, and this one is still very new. This is going to be my very first video, which is the introduction video, and then we shall set off. But I had to come here to introduce myself. So I hope you guys love the idea of having a knitting channel. So support your girl and let's get started and see what we can make from knitting. I have already started making my projects, as you can see. I'm very proud of this. I consider myself a beginner knitter, not advanced, not intermediate. I'm a beginner, so if you're a beginner, don't be intimidated. I will be mentioning all the challenges that I went through while learning how to knit because it's very fresh in my head. It's very clear because it was just last year that I was struggling with those needles and everything. So let's go on this journey together and let's see what comes out of it. I hope you guys are here to support me through this, and thank you so much. Bye.